Rockin'. Hey everyone. Oh yeah, let me turn on some music. Musica. 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 Let's see. Maybe a little more. Yeah. So, with this very, very sort of mellow introduction, um, it's time for me to get started. And I guess we're gonna do it at kind of a mellow pace. Yeah. So we're gonna try and get Yunikorn and kube-batch respectively, working on my cluster, and we're gonna talk about those things. And yeah, yeah. I guess on that note, do do do. So well, let's look at kube-batch first because I'm less familiar with that one. Um, and so kube-batch is a batch scheduler for Kubernetes. And so this is something that I care about because I work on Apache Spark mostly, but also other data processing tools. And these data processing tools tend to be more batch oriented. And so, naturally, I'm interested in things that I can do to make this work better on Kubernetes. A lot of my work for the past year has been getting Spark to work better on Kubernetes. And so the idea of looking at a different scheduler is interesting too. Uh, and so this is not necessarily, how do I say this? Um, I don't think we're going to get to the point of running Spark on either of these things today, but we're going to try and see if we can get them at least, kind of running on my cluster. Just kube-batch and Yunikorn, and those are the respective schedulers. So there's this tutorial, so that sounds like maybe a good place to start. So the good news is we have a cluster, solid. Okay. Interesting. So this is a place for more details. Let's dig into that quickly. So Kubernetes ships with the default scheduler. You can implement your own scheduler. Okay, let's take a look at our kubectl version. Okay. Client is 120, server is 121. That seems close enough. Okay, this is very much like sort of how. Okay, well, we'll return to this configuring multiple schedulers thing in a little bit, and we're just going to get back to the tutorial for now. So that sounds fine. We're going to make this directory. We're going to go there, and so the tutorial says that it is for the master branch, but at the same time, this says release 05. So we're not, I don't think this is the master branch. Let's take a look. How recently was release 05 updated? 1 commit ahead and 55 commits behind. Last updated 2019. Yeah, no. We're gonna do the current development branch because in part that's what it says it's for. So let's go ahead and do that. Although interestingly enough, well, okay. Let's make some notes because that is always Okay. It's always good to make notes. Actually, let's give it a better name. Cluster scheduler notes. Cluster scheduler nodes.md. So first thing that we're gonna do is kube-batch. Tutorial has people check out branch 0.5, last updated 2019, but states it targets master, consider updating. Yeah. So these are just notes to myself of things that I might want to do later, but I don't want to rabbit hole right now into like all of the different things, because like it's likely that as I go through this, I'll find different things, and I might even realize reasons why, things should be the way they are. Okay. Cube. Huh. Let's Helm. Oh, okay. That's because name. Okay. Okay. Helm install. Helm install targets Helm 2. Consider adding. Okay. Tutorial. Helm 3 version of instructions, e.g. No tests. That's interesting. No tests in the Helm chart. That's interesting. It's entirely possible that there's better tests elsewhere, but let's go ahead. Let's go Helm ls namespace kube-system. Oh yeah, namespace kube-system. There we go. Another thing. Helm ls should have namespace. Okay, looks like we're probably going to be updating the README file or the tutorial. Solid. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So, okay, the other thing that we've noticed is more or less that, okay, default install requires Let's take a look at this, I guess. I don't know. Solid. Oh, okay. So, yes. Well, okay, fine. Default install requires more perms, discussed, and consider calling out earlier. Okay. So this is a tutorial, so I prefer my tutorials Helm ls, Helm uninstall, -n, kube-system, kube-batch. Okay. I don't see that. Okay, example. Kube-batch example, roll.yaml. That makes sense. This does seem a little in kubectl get all -n kube-system. I don't like it. Consider scoping that. Consider creating an essay specifically for e.g. Kube DNS. Okay. Well, okay. Helm install. Error. That's interesting. A kube system. Okay. Sigseg v invalid memory address. Okay. Oh, interesting. So even the master branch is actually using version 0.5. So let's go ahead. States, targets, the master branch, in the master branch, targets 0.5, consider saying it targets 0.5. Okay, so this is actually running on an x86 machine. I was thinking that maybe it was going to be giving us like a seg fault because it was running on an ARM host, right? That could happen. I am actually curious. Where's our container? Oh, here we go. I'm curious about this. Let's go take a look at that. My guess is that this probably is... Okay. Cool. Last updated 2 years ago. I think that that's not a great sign. Yeah, okay. Not a good sign for an active project. Yeah. Does not support ARM64. Republish for ARM64. Okay. Okay, so this is just crashing because okay. Okay. Well, let's try looking for this because looks solid. Yeah, this looks like an unrelated seg fault. Okay, cool. Well, let's file some issues because I'm not. Oh yeah, that's a great question. Okay, cool. So kube-batch is dead. Which is fine. But this is the weird thing. So kube-batch is dead, but Volcano says it depends on kube-batch. Let's double check. Maybe I'm coming at this from left field. This is more up to date at the very least. So maybe we can use Volcano directly. Or maybe that's the better way to deploy this. Oh, can I join their Slack? Yeah, no. I can't join their Slack. God damn it. Yeah. Oh, interesting. Oh. Yeah. This is actually, I'm very interested in this. That's exciting. Ah, this is cool. There are other people trying to do the same work, and I am lazy. Yeah. I'm also interested in this. I sent a message to the dev list. When did I send the message to the dev list? Oh. Yeah, back on June 17th. On June 17th. Back on June 17th. About this. Or more specifically, adding support for batch schedulers in general. Let's go ahead. I know some groups inside of Spark have had a working group format where they sync periodically and back to the mailing list. Since there are a few folks interested, maybe we could do that. So we'll add this. I'm watching this issue. The other thing that I want to do. I'm going to assign myself as a shepherd or committer to help stuff go forward. Cool. So, yeah. Okay, cool. Well, so this is interesting. It means that probably kube-batch is dead based on that. So we should just deploy volcano. But the question is, how do I deploy volcano? It looks like there is not a mixture of... Okay. I want to take a look at this. Why don't they cross-publish images? This is annoying. Okay. Enhancement request. Publish combine images to support mixed ARM, 6 ARM, and x86 clusters. Right now, you have to select either ARM or AMD or x86 images, but with BuildX and other tools, we can produce combined images. Why is this needed? Some people have clusters with both ARM and x86, and otherwise they need to use selectors. Use CPU label selectors. Okay. That being said, that's totally fine. That doesn't have to stop us for today. We can go ahead and still try and make this work. Get all-n kube-system. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, Helm uninstall. Kube-batch is garbage. Or not garbage. Kube-batch is no longer maintained. So what we're gonna do... Oh, yeah, this is solid. At least this thing uses like actual cluster roles and stuff. Let's go look ARM64. Okay, so there's 4 containers that are all ARM64. I'm curious. Let's go here. Let's go look at volcano sh. This is VC scheduler. Is probably one of them, sure. Tags. Yeah. Why is this only built? Okay, so I guess they're not publishing. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So what we'll do for now... okay. Kube-batch. Dead. Volcano. Okay. Sounds good. So then we'll go to repos, scaling Python. Okay. 64. So, okay, so there we go. So this is the label that we're going to use. So cubes, I don't actually remember how to do selectors. So kubernetes selector. Yep, I would like to write a selector. So containers, ports. There we go. And then node selector. Okay. Okay, cool. So that should ensure that yeah, let's try it. Okay, cool. So let's go take a look at what exactly. Oh, it goes into volcano system. Okay, cool. Solid. Looks like at least it's up and running. Oh. I think what I'll do, because I would like to, so I would actually like access to the volcano Slack, because I would love to be able to chat with them. New issue. Enhancement request. Document how to get invited to the volcano Slack. A link to an auto inviter for the volcano Slack. Not everyone has access to it. Okay. Submit new issue. Oh, it looks like it's in the CNCF anyways. Okay, cool. That answers a follow-on question, which I was uncertain about. So that's great. Okay. Up and running. Solid. Okay. So we'll go back to volcano. Scroll down to the README some more. So quick start. That gives us, we're not installing local volcano. We're not doing monitoring. Okay. Meeting calendar. Oh, let's subscribe to the meeting calendar. Yes, I would like to add this calendar. Which account am I in? Yeah, not the right account. That's all right. Yeah, add that calendar. Cool. That's progress. So, okay, looks like Friday noon. Sounds good. Sounds good. Oh yeah. Alternatively, you could add node selector to the two examples. Okay, cool. Let's take a look at this. Oh, cool. Take it. Oh, pneumo scheduling. Oh, that's pretty legit. Sounds okay. Although, June 18th. Okay, yeah, it's relatively up to date. Okay, so I am more interested in, let's see if we can actually schedule something. Let's go into example. Well, let's take a look at this example job. Oh, interesting. The other thing that I'm curious about. Let's take a look at this. Okay, so it looks like it does support pod groups. That's cool. I dig it. Yeah, let's go ahead and clone the repo. Do I have a fork of this yet? No, I do not. Let's fork the repo. Oh, this is a cool feature. Because I am lazy. Okay, cool. Let's go into the volcano thing. All right, yeah, grep dash ri pod group inside of example. Ooh, okay. Well, I mean, 2019 isn't super recent. But, like, this is probably pretty close to what I want. Something tells me that this is going to need node selectors. Because if let's go take a look at this image, yeah? Because I don't think that this image is going to be compiled across architectures, which is fine. Most people don't run mixed updated 2 years ago. Tags, yeah, AMD 64. Okay, fine. Actually, you know what? Okay. You know what? We might as well make a pull request to add the node selectors, because I'm sure someone else is going to eventually, like, have to deal with this stuff. Okay. Okay. What's the architecture called? Is it? It's AMD 64. Okay. Okay. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and get diff. Add arch node selectors to the installer ARM and AMD 64 as a temporary workaround for does the trick. For values of does the trick, which is like, at the very least, we can make like a PR to the project and like kind of just do the equivalent of saying hello. Temporary workaround for number one until merged images, until merged multi-arch images are published. This is needed to support mixed arch clusters. Yay, it's my first PR, and the bot said hello. Oh, that's nice. I like friendly bots. Do. So it needs approval. Well, we got 2 reviewers, so let's see what happens. Oh, okay, let's take a look. What's DCO? Oh, okay. see what happens with this. Kubernetes, I like computers. I like the computers so much. Okay. Well, let's hit refresh, see if any of the checks are completed. DCO said yay. Okay, so that's fine. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so my brain kind of did that thing where, like, I do a thing and then I get distracted and I go down a rabbit hole, which is why I normally make notes files. But I was just like, oh, it's so small, I'll just do it right now. But now let's go back to our notes file. Oh, except this is empty. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Replace the kube-batch, multi-arch, whip, did a workaround PR. Friendly bot says hello. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna do. It does support pod groups in theory. So, that is something that I want to go take a look at. Oh. This is called, what is it called? Volcano. So examples. Spark sample. Okay. So these are both only really supported on, I mean, the containers are only built for AMD 64. Underneath the hood, though, Spark runs perfectly fine on ARM 64. It's just you have to cross-build the containers, which is something that I changed our scripting to do in the more current versions of Spark. Yeah, and so then let me go. Cool. Oh, it's called node selector, not just selector. So I don't know if this is going to work. We are going to find out. Unless, oh wait. Okay. So, where's the image defined? I don't know if it's going to let me specify a node selector. I guess that is uncertain. If not, we can add a node selector to it. Okay, looks promising. So let's give it a shot. Yeah. Oh, there's even a node selector example. Okay, so there is an example of how to do node selectors. Fuck yeah, party, gig it. always need more coffee. Brains. Okay, yeah. So it looks like this puts the... So it's spec, template spec. Okay, so... not quite. So replica set. Okay, so this is kind Spark application. Oh wait, this is using the Spark operator underneath the hood. Okay. Fine. I'm slightly confused. Okay. So... is there like... Let's search volcano pod group and see if there's like more... Cool. Let's take a look. Yeah. Okay. I love this min resources. Like, indicates the minimum resources for the running pod group. If available resources in the cluster cannot satisfy the requirement, no pods or tasks in the pod group will be scheduled. Like, that's what I want. Anyway, sorry. Okay. Oh, interesting. If no pod group is specified when a volcano job is created, volcano will create a pod group with the same name as the volcano job. Okay. Suspicious. So, okay, invalid jobs is probably not what we want. So, here's the deal. This does say to schedule... Let's just do this as a starting point. kubectl apply-f deployment.yaml. Let's go kubectl create ns volcano test. kubectl apply-f deployment-n volcano test. Okay. Suspicious. Let's take a look at the volcano job. Um, okay. So when they say volcano job, they probably actually just mean kind job scheduled with volcano. That makes more sense. So yeah, this is interesting because on pod eviction we restart the entire job. But okay. Sorry, volcano test. Okay. Interesting. Whatever. So let's take a look. kubectl log-n volcano system. Let's take a look at the scheduler. What's going on? Ooh. Oh. This doesn't look like it's having a very good time. What queue am I trying to schedule in? Oh. Oh, sorry. Okay. Maybe now that'll be more successful. Okay, cool. It actually did allocate the resources. Cool. Hello. Hi, Tani. It looks like, yeah, so the problem was, that... Okay, I dig it. This looks solid. kubectl get. Wait. Right, okay. This is... sorry. Pod groups get job. Okay. Sure. Oh, okay. I don't really want to run Argo right now. Let's take a look at hierarchical jobs. Okay. 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 Yeah, this is not what I want. I don't think. Not like. Yeah, let's look at this volcano job example. Kind job. And so the pod group says that when we make a job, if there is no corresponding... Oh yeah, I'm excited about Yunikorn and volcano too. So the pod group says if I create a job, volcano will create a pod group with the same name as the volcano job. So I'm really confused because I don't see that happening. He... Yeah. Okay, so pod group totally exists, but it's not getting created. So I'm gonna file an issue. Let's make okay, pod group. Okay. Okay, kubectl apply -n volcano test -f loop.yaml. Okay, if let's say we specify this, maybe it's just not doing the magic. Okay, now I go pod group. Grep. Oop. Yeah. I'm confused. If I had access to the Slack, I could ask there. As it stands, yeah. Okay. Well, so the other thing that we're gonna do, because why not, is we'll file an issue. Because I don't really have anywhere else that I can ask things. Let's take a look. Pod group. Volcano job. Okay. 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 Volcano job does not appear to create art. pod group when does not appear to automatically create a pod group. What happens? Okay. Deployed volcano on K3s 1.2.1. Deployed volcano created examples from example dir and VC job. Saw jobs get created. But no pod groups. I expected pod groups to be created as per let's switch per around to be created since we're going to turn this into like inline code. I think quote more than code. Is there a preview? Let's take a look at the preview. Nope, not what I want. Let's do it as code preview. Yeah, that looks better. Yep. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. Volcano version. Install tools, kubectl, mixed over 2 versions, mixed 64 and AMD 64. Kernel mixed 5 and 4. Cool, I dig it. Volcano version, latest, as of cool. How to reproduce. Follow the apply that example. Yeah. Apply the example in cool. I don't know. Well, okay, whatever. It's not ideal. At the very least, like, we can see it's kind of working. Like, the scheduler's doing stuff. It's using queues. We raised a PR so that it can support mixed clusters, and we raised some issues sort of for, like, longer term stuff. Let's go take a look. No, the comments are all from bots. Okay. Sounds good. So let's go ahead and switch tracks to Yunikorn, I guess. That sounds like a plan. Yeah. Dig it. Dig it. What was I gonna do? Okay, I'm gonna bet that Yunikorn is gonna have probably some of the same issues. That's okay. It's kind of what we would expect. So, let's get started. Oh, quick start guide. I like it. Okay. Solid. I'm gonna bet this isn't gonna work. But I would be happy to be wrong. So, kubectl describe pod-n Yunikorn. So, let's go take a look at Apache Yunikorn. What am I gonna do? Oh yeah. Docker Hub. Okay, last updated 2 days ago. What are the odds? Okay, AMD 64 only. Not a big surprise. That being said, most of the nodes in my cluster are AMD 64 only, so like, it's probably gonna... Ooh. I said it's probably gonna work, but it immediately is coming off with back off restarting failed container, so that's not looking super positive. But that's okay. While we're here, let's go to incubator Yunikorn. Okay. Yeah. Oh, right. Okay, yeah. They track their stuff on Jira. So let's search Yunikorn ARM. Okay. Okay. No issue reported yet. Let's add one. Support ARM64. It would be good to support ARM64. This is probably not too painful and can be done by swapping Docker build with Docker build X. But there's often edge cases where some code changes are needed. Okay. So that's good. Add something to our notes section. Yeah. Okay. Yunikorn. No ARM64 support. What else? Let's commit 7 days ago. Oh, right. The other thing is the quick start didn't work. I think? Or did it? That's not looking great. Maybe this is running on an ARM64 and it... No, experiment 624. Well, let's take a look at this. I mean, at the very least, we can just like punch this into Google and see what comes up. Interesting. Okay. Um, hmm. Okay, let's take a look at this. Okay, I mean, there is a key, but the cert pem is definitely empty. So that's webhook server TLS. Okay, kubectl get certificate station Yunikorn. I don't. Okay. Let's go back to the. Okay. TLS empty cert dot kubernetes TLS empty cert dot pem secret. Oh, interesting. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. I'm curious. Okay, so this was like, I don't actually know what created the webhook server TLS. Um, let's try searching cert.pem Yunikorn. No. Okay. Quick start does not work on K3S 121. Following the quick start guide at I got the mission controller. The mission controller fails to start with the following error. Let's go ahead and let's code. There we go. Fails to start with an error indicating it can't read the M data in the certificate input, looking at get secrets. There is data in the key.pem, but not cert.pem. Quick start results in failing in mission controller crash loop back off. This is on K3S 121. Okay, let's debug this. Certificate sadness. I would like to at least get it deployed, right? I'd like to be able to get both of these up and running. No guarantee that we'll actually particularly succeed. Oh, I'm not good at mentoring people or something. Okay. What was I gonna do? Right. Debug why the cert.pem is empty. Which for the most part, I don't know what's creating the webhook server TLS. So like, let's go dig into the Helm chart. So yeah, let's go take a look at this. wonder which Slack they're on. Let's see. If it's the ASF Slack, I already have membership at least. Yes. Let's see. Okay, they don't use the ASF Slack. God damn it. Oh, maybe they do? Wait, what? Okay, if they do, it's empty. I guess let's join it. I don't particularly want another Slack workspace, but sure. Why not? Do. There we go. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let's go back. Oh, no. Back. There we go. Okay. Let's find... Yes. Don't really care. How to use user guide, reporting user guide, how to contribute. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Helm. I don't remember how to do a Helm Dry Run, so Helm generate YAML. That's what I want. Okay, if I do dry run, is it going to give me the files that I want? I don't know. Helm install. Oh, yeah, okay, cool. Let's go take a look at that. Okay. Yeah, I don't really like Helm install. TLS. No, okay. Secret. Okay. 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 So it's not being created from the Helm repo directly, which that's fine. Oh, but that means it's probably getting created from something else, which I need to figure out. Yeah. Root. Um, okay. So I don't know. I don't. Okay. So it's not directly in the Helm YAML files, which means it's probably getting created somewhere else, and it's not coming from the certificate type. So I'm not super sure how I'm gonna debug this. Kubectl get secret all namespaces. Psi TLS? Yeah. Ah, interesting. This is of the opaque type, and all of my other TLS things are of the type Kubernetes IOTLS. That's legit. Okay. Well, okay, so this is interesting, right? Like, this is different, clearly. I don't know which part of the code is creating this webhook server TLS secret. So this is going to be a little bit annoying to debug, but we are going to, at the very least, try and debug it a little bit. Not like a whole lot, but my guess would be is the Yunikorn Kate shim, because I mean that's my guess. Okay, so well, let's start with webhook server TLS, right? Cool. Okay, solid. So that's looking promising. That it's coming probably from in here, not for sure, but we're maybe on the right trail. Incubator unicorn configs dot properties. Okay, maybe this is just where it's used, but let's go server.yaml.template. Okay, yeah, this is just the mount. This isn't making the secret. Okay, let's take a look. Okay. This looks solid. Right, like admissions controllers, scheduler, me. Okay. So it looks like this is maybe going to be happening inside of admissionutil.sh because it says it creates a secret, and it looks like maybe this is wrong. Um, okay, so let's go look at the secret. Okay, so, okay. Ah, okay, so it starts off and it creates a certificate signing request. I think kubectl get certificate signing request. Okay. So solid. Um, I, sorry. Okay. Okay. I don't know much about certificate signing requests, so let's debug that. But while we're here, right, well, you can at the very least ensure that, like, should I get bored and, stop doing anything, this is on, mhm. It looks like, it does generate a certificate signing request. Let's go with describe because yes, there are no events. Okay. But okay, it's progress, right? Like at the very least, starting to have a better understanding of what's going on. So that if someone comes by and starts working on this, oh, okay, cool. Oh, I dig it. Okay, so it looks like Kate's 121 is not yet supported. And that's why. Okay. Okay, I dig it. So that would make sense. Hmm. Although that's weird. Okay. So this is okay, so certificate signing request has no events. Certificate signing request, Kubernetes, no events. So I guess we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna edit the certificate signing request in the namespace Yunikorn. Okay. Signer name is now required. Okay. Oh, cool. Let's go take a look at this. Certificate. Okay, status dot. Okay. So the weird thing is, like, I would expect an error or something like to come up, but let's. Cheeseburger. Oh, damn it. Signer name. Cheeseburger. Oh, okay. Wait, but I did make changes. Okay. What is it? The signer name. Oh, wait, the signer name is specified. Oh, legacy unknown. Okay, okay. Spec signer name. I don't know what this means. What does this mean? Yes. The certificate signing request donates to the signer, the recipient that the request is being made to. Okay, okay. Mm. Okay. Ah. Okay, okay. Okay. So, what we would do is we would conceivably. So, I think I would like the one. Yeah, it's not a kubelet. API server? Okay. I don't really know what this is used for. But let's try this one because, like, who knows? Okay, so what we do is we're gonna swap this. Oh, dash n Yunikorn? Maybe this will do the magic. Let's take a look. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Except I changed this. Okay, we swapped this, yes, to this one. Okay. Except it keeps going back to legacy unknown. Okay. We're going to give this a new name. Okay. Hmm. Oh, okay, permitted usages. Exactly. Let's take a look at what the permitted usages are. Is digital signature one of them? Digital signature. Okay, cool. Up next, key encipherment. That's, I'm like 90% sure that's not one of them. Okay. Key encipherment, client auth. Yeah, okay, let's go take a look. Key encipherment server auth. Okay. Then okay. So we actually need kubelet. Okay, this is the one that we need. Okay. Ah. Oops. No. Oh. No. Computers. Bad computers. Bad computers. Oh, the meta key is... Oh, the meta key is stuck. Okay. Bad computers. Oh, okay. Yeah, overwrite loop 4. Actually, 5. We'll need the best version control. Okay. We'll call this one 5. We are going to replace... Because we need to do server auth, this is going to be kubelet server signing. Permitted usages are exactly key encipherment, digital signature, and server auth. Okay. Loop. Get certificate signing request. Okay. So then, how do we... how do you... Kubernetes approves CSR. Okay. Yeah, these are the signers. Yes. Okay. Is there an approve verb? Okay, okay. Okay. Certificate approve. Okay. Okay. Helm. uninstall. Okay, Helm ls-n Yunikorn. Okay. Helm install. We're not going to do dry run. Oh, okay, yeah. So this is fine. Doot. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I did some poking. Okay. Where's that change log that was linked? Yeah. So it seems partially related. In 121, you can still make a legacy unsigned cert request, but you need to manually sign it. E.g., I have to run get certificate. Let's take a look at this request. What type is... I don't see this.
I fixed my air conditioner.
Congratulations! Also, I'm streaming, so it's totally okay, but just like so you don't walk over here.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's awesome. Yay! Yeah, air conditioner very much yay. It's getting too hot these days.
It is.
Oh, do you think that person could put in central air? The one that Jesbian knows?
It looked like mostly they do kitchen and baths, but I bet they would at least know
How?
where to start with that.
Okay, because like
It would be nice to have central air.
if that is more energy efficient, then we should definitely like put the money in that because like our power grid,
Yeah.
our state is having a rough time. We've lost power 3 times this week or twice.
We lost it for like an hour yesterday.
Okay, 3 times this week. Oh, also Timbit's school lost power. And so when I was dropping him off this morning, they were like, just like hand him directly to me so he doesn't get scared because it's dark in the garage right now. And they don't want the babies getting scared. I do too. He was very happy though. He was like, oh hey, it's Shira. Oh yeah.
So I was thinking about that we should get him a power wheel. And American Girl makes a doll-sized remote-controlled car.
Okay.
It's a convertible. How bad of an idea is that?
I think it's a great idea. I would wait until we figure out where we're living.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Unless you can think of a place to put it where it's out of the way, where it'll be okay.
Oh, no.
So then, yeah, I would, if it's something that can't get rained on, let's wait until we find our new place, yeah?
But wouldn't it be cute if we had a
Oh yeah, I agree. I think it would be lovely. I think it would be lovely. Okay. What was I doing? I don't remember. Okay. Well, oh yeah, we got the thing to deploy. Um, so that's good. So we've got the scheduler deployed. Now, let's go to. Okay, yeah, let's take a look at this web UI. That seems like that could be interesting. What port is it? 9889. Ah, okay, I dig it. Okay, this is kind of nice. No GPU information. No rack name or the host names. Whatever. Okay, can't make anything in the UI, but I can poke around at the UI. So that's nice. I guess there is the UI for the other thing too, Volcano. Um, but it involved deploying more things, and I didn't really feel like doing that at the time. So I guess we've learned something new. Oh, I guess let me write this down. Certificate sadness. Note workaround is running. Doot doot doot. Hmm. Okay. Well, so we have the workaround. That is solid. I would like to deploy something though. So let's go back to the quick start. It might be nice if there was an example workload. Yeah, I would like to. Let's run a Spark job. Um, sure. Spark test. Okay. Yeah, we're definitely. So this makes the cluster role binding on the service account. Sure. Except. Oh, no. Mm, Um, okay, that's fine. So, doot, doot, doot. um, computer Yunikorn loop72.yaml. No. Spark sa.yaml. Oh, yeah. Oh, subjects. Where is... Oh. Cool. Let's add that to our list of things. Doot. Subjects. Using namespace fields. I guess let's file an issue for that. Doot. Wait, where is the pull request? Yeah, okay, I dig it. Okay. Yes, they're not covered by tests, but there's nothing changed in them. Okay. Doot. Looks good to me. Looks good to me. Oh, let's actually double check the, okay. I need a break. Do I have the coming right back screen? Be right back. I will be right back. Yes. Hey y'all, I'm back. Sorry about that. I needed a drink and a bit of a bio break. Uh, so with that being said, let me try and figure out where it is I left off. Um, yeah. Oh, this is so cool. Sorry. While I was on my bio break, the volcano PR that we raised, um, oh yeah, we should, so, hmm. Um, okay, sure. So it got approved and then it got canceled. The approval got canceled. I'm gonna back out the AMD 64 specific changes. And fuck yeah, I'm so stoked. I'm so stoked. I love it. Sorry. I like open source a little bit too much. I get really happy when like um other people like seem to like my work or like find like yeah, I am a millennial and I get happy when my stuff gets approved. And so this is like really close to approval, and it's also like it's a really nice thing to get PRs turned around really quickly. It's something that we don't do great in the Spark project. So I'm stoked to see it here. Um, delete. Cool. So there we go. I addressed the CR feedback, and hopefully it can get approved again. That'd be really nice. I don't know what time zone this person is working in. Um, but yeah. Okay. Uh, that's good. Where was I? My brain. Oh, cheeseburger. Okay. We deployed Unicorn, and we were going to deploy a Spark job. And I was going to deploy it this way? Um, no. Oh, okay. So, okay. So we're gonna need to download Spark 244. That's fine. Spark 244. Um, okay. ASF. Okay, Spark 244 TGZ. Here we go. This is the one that we want. It's going to take a hot minute. That's okay. Okay, kubectl proxy, I guess sounds good. And we're gonna go back here. We're gonna run this. We're gonna see if this works. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This isn't too surprising that like Spark 244 is having difficulty talking to. Yeah, I remember this. Oh God, I hate computers. Uh, and it is fixed, but I need a newer version of Fabric 8. Do that. Have to roll our own Spark image, which is doable. But like it's 5 o'clock. We've been doing this for like 2.5 hours. Not 100% feeling it. But you know, yeah, you know what? It's been a long enough day. But this is some good progress, right? We've got Yunikorn installed. We've got Volcano installed. We know kube-batch is not something that we want to try and use. Although the concepts from kube-batch have just all been subsumed inside of Volcano. So we're good with that. What else did we learn today? I'm sure we learned something else today. But that's okay. That's enough to learn in one day, I think. Yeah. So we're gonna start talking. So thanks everyone for joining. It's been cool. We know a little bit more about how Yunikorn and kube-batch work, or sorry, Yunikorn and Volcano work, and kube-batch doesn't work. We raised some Jiras with Yunikorn. Might actually let's before we wrap. I'm gonna check and see if our PR is like approved or looking good. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. It's It's close. Oh, damn it, I forgot to sign off on the DCO thing again. Whatever that. What is git sign-offs? I don't know. I should probably learn what those are. Git sign-off. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay, I take it. Hmm. Let's hit refresh. DCO says yay, and that looks good. Okay. Yeah, Spark 2.4. I guess really we should roll a recent version of Spark. Let's take a look at the Yunikorn thing. See if there's been any response to my comment. Actually, you know what? Let's just make a PR to the docs anyways. Because why not? Incubator, Yunikorn, quick start, GitHub. Where does that live? Maybe it lives here. Let's take a look at this. Okay. Actually, let's fork it. And then clone it. Make 2 PRs today. It's not so bad. Not so bad. In different projects, of course. I mean, they're not. Not the biggest, but we can see here that there's value in just like going through something that one doesn't know and just like writing down the problems. Is there? Okay. Okay, it looks like it's in userguide.md. So, incubator, Yunikorn, website, site. Okay. And then user guide.md, quick start. Okay. If admission controller, there's a crash loop back off, you may need to manually sign the certificate. You may need to manually approve the certificate request. Script. Okay. Instructions to approve cert request. Okay, and now we can go ahead and make a PR probably, unless um, probably fine. Let's raise a PR. Hmm. In newer versions of Kubernetes. Yay, okay. Now we go ahead, we do git push. This makes sense. Why it was not doing its magic before. Yeah, looks good. Okay. These requests may not be auto-approved in Yunikorn 726. Okay, cool. So we've raised two, relatively small PRs, but two PRs today. One into Yunikorn, one into Volcano. I guess let's also update our notes about that, because we've got our notes. Cluster schedule nodes.md. There's also the namespace field issue. Yeah. I guess, okay. Oh, yeah, let's go ahead. Yeah, Spark on. Well, Spark on things to help scheduling go faster, I guess, for Spark. Or is it, maybe it's in getting started? Started. Install. Yeah. Okay. And then I think so user guide, workloads, run Spark. Okay, yeah. Yay! I'm glad it's up your alley. So yeah. So, okay. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Add the note to the general getting started guide. Yeah, about needing to assign certificates in newer versions of Cube. Okay, cool. And then I'm gonna go back, get checkout master, get checkout -b, update, run Spark, ex, cluster rule, yeah. Is that right? Let me double check this. I can double check this very quickly. .yaml apply-f loop.yaml. Okay, yeah, roll ref. Yeehaw. Okay. Cool. So then that's the ticket. We need to specify the namespace for subjects since the kubectl-n doesn't propagate it all the way, doesn't propagate the ns to subject. Might as well put the essay inside of the ns. Okay, cool. That's cool. We need to file another issue unless, let's go issues reported by me. Okay, cool. Run Spark example. RBACs are incorrect. are missing NS and required. Cool. So we did that. And then we just go ahead and we will put this here. And yes, go git push this upstream. Looks good. Take another look at the Yunikorn site. We can make a second pull request. Yep. And for subjects. Yeah. Since the -n, fix spark rback in workspace examples. Okay. That looks like a good. Oh, I need to grab this. Create pull request. Okay. Yep. Yep. Okay. Pull requests available. There's apparently a tag that it looks like people use here. So we'll go ahead. Oh, it looks like that also is done. Okay, cool. So I remember being like we were gonna finish about like 10 minutes ago was my plan. But I think we're actually gonna finish now because we've raised like sort of two documentation PRs into Yunikorn and one like YAML config change into Volcano. And so for context, Yunikorn and Volcano are both tools for doing batch scheduling like analytics workloads better on Kubernetes. And I want to make them work better with Spark. And part of that involves like actually understanding how they work, and to get to the point where I understand how they work, I have to like actually get them working. And I think one of the things that I hope you might take away from this admittedly very long live stream is that you don't have to know a project super well, right? If you run into issues getting started with a project, pull requests to help fix those issues so that it's easier for the next people to get started easily are super important, and they're super worthwhile. They save everyone a lot of time, and they can also help with the project's adoption, because like the easier it is to get started, the more people will actually use it, is the theory. So on that note, yeah, it's 5:30. I am going to go and make myself a snack because I am a little hungry. I hope you all have a lovely day wherever you are. And I'll probably be doing more tomorrow or something. I'm not super sure when. I've got that Jupiter thing. Tomorrow might end up being busy. I'm not sure. Or this weekend, maybe I might do something. Although it's Pride weekend, so I might also be pretty busy. I'm a little fuzzy on it, but I'm gonna try and circle back to my outgoing PRs. I'm trying to do a code review. Maybe I'll do a code review stream tomorrow. Sort of quickly, and then I also want to like actually use Yunikorn and Volcano. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you all around.